me dofo oyo de hye mapa onyame hira o se wo de TV Ghana TV o nyina wo de TV ato ba bia ye wa de ye Adom TV dwumadi we ye nkurahye dwumadi me am de ho chia me edi am me giso e ni tekotego woni onyame entra no pay no onhwe so no kenya abrabo na akwanside bi abrabo mu no onyimfiri ho ye kosoa ebisa se kwan ben so no abrabo bedimu kwan ben so no abrabo be yi ene de me bra ade bi a betime de obra na mama ni kan enna daache hene ase edine me de daache hene edin a hyenkran se wo ye daache hene dia na osuba no ne ye daache hene suban wotimi afro se me ye daache hene na me so me ye daache hema isa se onyame ebo wo no oya hene mo hene enti ne banyina aya ade hye onyame nka ho. One thing you need to do quickly to make your life become better is to identify the things that are keeping you stuck. Identify the things that have become roadblocks. One will say, making, yana me peka wasemka. Na no, na adiache, bespake me ka, me traka mo me de queen, ka se menye so, queen menye so, afe na me wura ho me se, ka yi pa, nti na me ntimi nkodwuma. Ana me frɛ fitani bi. There's a car na car ne sa o. Fitani ba ya kwekwe se masa wo battery no afolo. Me see ye. Battery ketwa na afolo nti car ne kase ntimi ntu. E wa no be two battery, o de battery full of so. Twitwe na car ne age so. In the same way, to improve and to change your life, you need to identify the things that are getting in the way of your change and your movement. Your neighbor high battery ewu abrabomu. Yes, say we for abrabomu. Your neighbor high battery ewu awadi mu. Your neighbor high battery ewu apomudne ho. Your neighbor high battery ewu kwan afa so ye wadwuma. Yes, say we you from. Everyone may have their own reasons for feeling stuck. But regardless of the circumstances you are in life, there are common barriers we personally have created in our minds that have caused us to fail or to remain where we are. You will never be who aye nyoma ewu. Yes, we yifra abramum. Number one, the things you focus your mind on. A day na wadwen daso anapawia na nyumre. I focus my mind on two things every morning to be of use to God, to serve my fellow man. So my brother so be ban fa so ma urade na masom onipa. Ewon kransha kwanso we ana madwen edaso yesika menya enya abodi na magire se ma bra boso beba mfaso amawurade na empo masum enipa ahye nipa nkran we nioma me enu amedweno hana pawe na nyumre enti mi ye bibia bibisa me ho se aso eso me wura ani ana onyame no yo me ama no ma me hwene ma me ani ma me ti ma me nsa na enai. God has invested in my life. As an investor, he requires some returns. Obi ani ho asabi, wo de ade hya ade mu a wo mpem faso. Enu nti onyame edne ma hye mu a, se me mama bra bo so yem faso de mawrade. Weni ne ma medwen ho kane, dwuma bra bo ho sawate. Focus your mind on making sure that the investments God have made in you become profitable for him. Number two, we see anopa kwan ben so na mefa so ahye obi nkuran. Say you obi a na bra bo atoba ha. Say obi a odi awro ho na wade mu. Say obi a wonom nsa ana wonom de bone. Kwan ben so na mefa so ama na kwankire na ma bra bo ewie payo. We na me ma bra bo dan. Enti wo so no, what are you focused on? Because pesika, because di be me yani, because you say oba we eno na bra bo dan mu oba bi dan kasa. What you focus on determines what you do. Focus on solutions and take your mind off problems. Mo adwene enna nioma obeya edi enije bebre woni obi enye se da bia wo de wo bobo abrabo ho. You have the free will to choose what you want to focus on, but I pray that you focus on what is fair. You focus on what is good. You focus on what is true. You focus on what is pure. Focus on what is worthy. Focus on what is productive, and focus on what is mutually beneficial for you and others. Number two, focus on changing your life from where you are to a new place that you become great. Adeba ko se utimi ehwe abrabom ne se me ifati mu pose kwan bia so no ma brabo enye se me na de da wona na toto aburo e won chance so a ka chon se wo de star be kan bo toto ho no aburo aye ade abetimi e de akama no if it is Ghana we are not changing because we are remaining where we are from 1949 up to now kwan fa so do sa na fa so do kwan fa so ya manyosem sa na gusu ye no until we change the way we do things we cannot change the results of our lives. Therefore make a decision to change the way you do things from today. Change the way you engage everybody. Change the way you interpret your whys. Aden na brabon koye mame. Aden na mawade enye de. Aden na me yade bebrebe. Aden na madwuma me de mintimi nya akachuapa. Aden na emo mabaso. Aden na wankasa semu yi nyoma ekọ abrabo mu a eya consider aye battery awu. Na mpo pe battery for na charge wa abrabo. Ebi ye okasa a woka. Ebi ye timopo a wofa. Ebi ye ne ya a woda na adie. Ebi ye woni a wotie won ho afutuo. Sakramu na sakra battery eso abrabo so. Ebi negative thinking. Challenge your negative thoughts. Very often when you are in every difficult circumstance, it is easy to think negatively. If you are in trouble, it is easy to think negatively. If life is faced with situations you don't want, it is easy to think negatively. But challenge the negative thoughts. One who now be obi awura bi no wadwuma so mi de adwuma obi ampamasam. Obi amfame nya hwe. Na me so enye so obi ampawasam. Woni ye na amasabi wadwuma so obi ampawasam. What is the evidence I was obi ampawasam? Afo gina So you see, whenever you think negatively, look for the evidence. Is it true? Is it worth it? And change your scenario. There is always a positive aspect to negative happenings. Adebia esi wa brabo mo anya no, adepa bi wo mu na efe ensurosa obetwa na montuo bi. Do not fear to change because you are going to fail. Don't fear to change because you think you make mistakes. Se na no ye ema odi nkugu a ensurosa we so be di nkugu ko so na ye. The more we nkugu no, the more we sua de. The more we am from so no, the more we sua de. One reason why people don't make changes in their life is that they are afraid people will laugh at them. Because yenye ye besre me. Ebu a osi abrabo mu no, obi a hu sese be wo de concert party ni. Nti wa anya concert a yenye wo so. Enye da bia na be concert party. Se be nye da bia na be jimini. Enye da bia na be matimodin adware wo. Enye da bia na makro no na entro adware wo. Ya wa sakram kakra. Na so wa ye de nyansa ewo mu. Na wa ye nia edin no kura nanam. Na wa ye nia sabe edin puntuo enam. Nyada bia na wo de obegina agopama so se wo de oyi concert amanfo nsere eye tere bi so a wo so ye nyansa sam kakra. When push comes to shove, many of us fear to try because of failure. But change is important to change the structure of your life. You need to change your thoughts. You need to change the way you think about you. You need to change your battery of life. Your battery of life Nyoma Kenya war no battery. On some car battery no ewu ye. And after ne kofa battery for the basis on the spark here. And to also car battery na ewu a adwina wodwene. O car battery wa tinka Kenya no. O car battery suban oda na die. So suban ewu a wabrabo ewu. So watinka atobaha wabrabo atobaha. So wadwene ensi ya wabrabo ensi. Nti wo so anopa na wi a ya na wasemu ehwe adwina wodwene. Adwempa nokure adwen adimu ade a adwen esefata adwen anyansa wom adwen nkuranhya adwen adwen be Kenya me papa yomu na Kenya watenka na watenka ade be hye nkuran amofa subampa adware wabrabo. We all can change our lives and create a new version of who we are if we create a new version of our thoughts. Onyame nka ho ate me da se oni me etona montu we ne dey enye nhira ma wo ma me nikan enda me camera Thomas na pamfo ase na me nikan enda me producer da che hene ase me na Frank na camera fo nyina ase na me na MCR floor manager na lighting fo ase wa wo hwe me so me da ase